Hello everyone, in this tutorial we are going to discuss about extensions in VS Code. The features that Visual Studio Code includes out of the box are just the start. VS Code extensions let you add languages, debuggers, and tools that support your development workflow. You can browse and install extensions by clicking on this extensions icon and go to the View menu, and here we have extensions command. You can also open extensions with the hotkey Control or Command Shift X. Let me open it for you. In this search box, you can search for an extension. So let's say bookmarks, one of the most favorite extension. With this extension, you can bookmark your code. You can run various extensions via commands by clicking on this More Actions button. And here we have a couple of commands. Check for extension updates, enable all extensions, and so on. Moreover, we also have this filter button where you can filter extensions by featured, most popular, built-in. You can also sort extensions by install count, rating, name, published date, and this is one of the most important filters. For example, if you're working on some educational project, you can filter extensions by education, and it will show it up for you. Let me clear the search box. You can do the same by typing various commands in this search box. For example, @recommended, and it shows you the recommendations. And for your convenience, you can do almost all of the stuff that we just discussed from the most favorite, the command palette. Let me close it and open the command palette with the hotkey Control or Command Shift P and type in extensions here, and it shows you all the related commands. Now let's see one of the extensions and discuss what extensions normally come up with. Let me clear the search box and click on ESLint. Let me close it first. Each extension includes a brief description, the publisher, the download count, install count, and so on. You can install an extension by clicking on this button. Last but not the least, you don't need to be worried about what extensions to be installed, because while working on the project, VS Code will itself recommend it for you. Alright guys, that's all for now. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.